Want to speed up your early and mid-stage TCG design process? Meet MSE2. The first thing to do is download MSE2 from its website. Click on Non-Magic Set Editor, which will redirect you to GitHub. There, click on Code, then select Download Zip. The download should start automatically. Once it's finished, head to your default downloads folder. You'll find the zip file there. Go ahead and extract it. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the executable file for the software. Just double-click it to launch MSE2 and open the New Set/Open Set interface. From here, you can also change the program's language if you prefer. Pro tip: after extracting the folder, consider moving it to C:\program files to keep things organized. You can also create a shortcut to MSE2.exe on your desktop for easier access. Now you're ready to start using MSE2. If the interface looks a little blurry, don't worry. Here's how to fix it. Right-click the .exe file. Choose Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Click on Change High DPI Settings, check both boxes, and set it to High. And that's it. Your interface should now look much sharper. Now let's dive into MSE2. We'll start by creating a new set. As you can see, you can choose from a variety of games, and each one comes with its own templates. Once you've selected a template, you can begin editing it in the Cards section. Here, you can add an image, type in the card name, insert symbols, assign classes. You can even add foil effects if you want. Next, head over to the Style section. This is where you can tweak visual settings like text alignment, frame images, and even switch to a different card template. In the Set Info tab, you can enter details about your set, such as its name, edition, code, languages, and the total number of cards. The Statistics section helps you track your progress with visual graphs and data. For example, you can quickly see how many of your cards are foiled. Then there's the Random tab, which lets you generate a custom booster pack using either pre-made cards or your own custom distribution. And finally, we have the Console. This will be especially helpful once you start coding in MSE2, as it shows you error messages and alerts related to your scripts. Going back to the MSE2 folder, you'll notice a subfolder called Data. This is where all the information, scripts, and templates for every game are stored. Normally, a simple game will have two folders, the MSE game and the standard.mse style. However, more complex games, especially those with many different templates, may have additional folders. So what's inside these folders? In the game folder of a basic card game, you'll find the game script and the icon. You can open the script with Notepad++ to take a look inside. Here, you'll find the scripts section with various functions like sorting and numbering. The Set Fields section controls the input boxes you see under Set Info, while Card Fields lets you group cards by categories like factions or types, and apply different behaviors based on those groups. Then, if we open the Style folder, we'll find all the templates and symbols needed for that TCG, along with the style file. Let's open that too with Notepad++. Inside, you'll find the card dimensions, image quality settings, the initialization script, and the card style section. Here you can adjust almost everything about the template. For example, setting the coordinates and masks for the image based on the card type, which is defined in Card Fields. And this same method can be applied to other card parameters as well. Remember, resource names must be written exactly as they are, including any spaces. You'll also find other customizable parameters inside the style file, depending on the game. In more complex games, inside the game folder, you might find separate files for card fields, set fields, and scripts, instead of having them embedded directly into the main game file. Additionally, you might find Auto-Replace, a file that automatically replaces abbreviations or acronyms with full words or symbols. Packs, where you can define rarities for cards and create your own custom booster pack distributions. Word list, a pool of terms and keywords specific to the game. For example, in Yu-Gi-Oh!, this includes monster types and card types. That wraps it up for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.